Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So the crypto market is correcting further, so we are closing a red day today and heading to the weekend. So my name is Mike Denkler from CorionX, and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems every day to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice. Everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and make your decisions based on your research and just adjust it to your financial conditions. So guys, smash those like, push the bell notification. All we need those likes even if we are in the bear market, because likes bringing more new people in. So, and also helping out the YouTube algorithm. Also subscribe, push the bell notification, all. So let's go and check what's happening on our favorite bubble chart. Let's see what's going on. I think we will see few altcoins in green, but most of them in red. Bitcoin is down also 1%, Ethereum 1.6%. So Bitcoin is at $36,000 and Ethereum $2,700. We see few altcoins up like Leo, Zilliqa, Gala, ANC, Hex, Tron, Argo, and Waves. As you know, Tron is launching its decentralized stablecoin, like Terra Luna has the USD. Tron is launching his own USDD, if I'm right. So nothing changed. Let's check our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index. It is back in the extreme fear at 22, and as we know that we are here in the extreme fear zone almost since November. So this is the sixth or seventh consecutive months just dominating by fear. And that is why investors are so fearful. So the sentiment is really bearish, and when investors are too worried, that could be a good buying opportunity. When the greediness is coming back, that is due for a correction. Let's go and check our first news. Bitcoin's rocky road to becoming a risk-off asset, analysts investigate. Let's see this. Okay, Bitcoin and Nasdaq. So this is Bitcoin 90-day volatility and the Bitcoin price compared to Nasdaq. So you see that how Bitcoin is outperforming Nasdaq, and actually this is a kind of ascending triangle, symmetrical. Now this is a symmetrical triangle, so actually it should be a bullish pattern, and this is from Mike McGlone from Bloomberg. And let's see what is he saying. What's happening? Advance of money and finance into the 21st century is unstoppable. Nasdaq QQQ Invesco. So this is a kind of like an Ichimoku cloud, or I don't know. Invest answers. Okay, so Bitcoin also has slowly proved itself as a store of value, or gold 2.0. And it's going further. May still be a tad persistence to call Bitcoin a risk-off asset, especially as it rolls in the mid $30,000. So risk-off like gold, that is not depending on the economic and environment, and risk-on like stock market and other commodities like moving up and down. But we are on the road to becoming a risk-off asset. Next piece of news is someone is blowing up. Bitcoin sees 2022 volume record amid hopes capitulation is over. Okay, Michael van der Poppe sharing his thoughts here about forced liquidations, and yeah, someone is blowing up, and this is forced liquidation. There has been 2 days in the past 25 years when S&P 500 futures were down 3% and 10-year Treasury futures down 1%. October 9, 28 and March 18, 2020. Someone is blowing up, and this is forced liquidation. and that can happen also on the Bitcoin chart, as you see here. So liquidation remained fairly tame across cryptocurrencies. BTC accounting for 190 million over the past 24 hours. The remaining 200 million came from altcoin pairs, data from on-chain monitoring. Let's make this bigger, and you see shorts red, longs green, and all these liquidated in this movement. There will be bounces, pops, squeezes, short-term euphoria, you name it, but I don't think we see macro reversal before major capitulation or Fed backtracking stance on rate hikes, quantitative balance reduction. So we need a capitulation or the Fed just easing these rate hikes and quantitative tightening. Next piece of news is Luna Foundation Guard acquires additional 37,000 Bitcoin as part of the reserve strategy. So guys, this is not a small amount. This is not a small amount. To raise allowed and acquire, okay. So now they are holding roughly 3.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. The foundation acquired an additional 37,000 Bitcoins totaling 1.5 billion in OTC swaps with Genesis Trading. Guys, this is insane, and their goal is of accumulating up to 10 billion US dollar in Bitcoin to back algorithmic stablecoin US Terra UST. Okay. This goal is build up a Bitcoin stash that rivals that of Satoshi Nakamoto, the digital asset pseudonymic creator. Just getting started. Okay. Cool. So congratulations to them. I don't know why this hasn't caused any pump, but still good to know that some strong hands are hodling these Bitcoins and not paper hands. Next piece of news is Kraken's Dan Hadel says Bitcoin SuperCycle still in play. Here is why. So the SuperCycle, I like really Dan Hadel. I met him in New York at Consensus. Let's quote from him. I think in the SuperCycle thesis we do have the perfect storm, and even more perfect storm than 2018 or 19. So much happened. COVID, I think, has given us good reason to adapt our government's capability of handling various parts of our economy and our lives. And with all the money printing that went down too, Bitcoin's utility has never shined brighter. We also have Canada and geopolitical struggles, all actors the word that I think highlights exactly why Bitcoin is valuable right now. I think we are seeing en masse a lot of people entering that awareness stage, and maybe more catalyst moments or shocks in the economy or a war shakes them down into the acquisition short of level where they start to go, okay, I have considered it. I am ready now. I am ready to sign up. I am ready to go try out Bitcoin. It takes them entering those stages before they can start to buy Bitcoin, and Bitcoin's price starts to move up. So I think we have a large amount of people already there, and there is a certain sort of events that I don't know exactly what those events might be or narratives, but those could push all those people into those lower stages of the funnel, and that means direct price action, the price going up. Okay, so adoption is, yeah, it's getting real, and this is how people will staking sats and buying Bitcoin. Next piece of news is the SEC approves Worldcaier's Bitcoin future ETF. So guys, this is still not the spot Bitcoin ETF. This is a future ETF. So I don't know why future ETFs that are more risky, because just they are trading with some leverage and contracts, are approved, but the spot is not. So but good for them, so congratulations to the Workire team. Next piece of news is Cardano wallet about to get major update according to IOHK weekly development activity details. Okay, so if you are holding Cardano, just be aware that the Cardano wallet will be updated, but I don't see too many activity going on the Cardano blockchain. Let me know, guys, which decentralized exchange is doing well on Cardano. Okay, so let's go and check another news. Shiba Inu is more popular than Dogecoin in Europe, Google data shows. Okay, so the two dogs are fighting. Shiba Inu and Doge fighting. Okay, so there was a study conducted, and UK, France, Italy, Spain, Portugal, Ukraine, and Russia, Greece, Albania. Okay, so the most googled cryptocurrencies in every European country. So in Sweden, Ethereum, Norway, Bitcoin, Finland, Bitcoin, Poland, Bitcoin, Hungary, my country, was this Shiba Inu, Belarus, Bitcoin, Germany, Bitcoin, and lots of countries, Shiba Inu. And you see, yeah, in Greece, Dogecoin, yeah, cool. So guys, this is quite interesting. So maybe Sweden are the most and smart guys, and Norway, Germany, Poland, Belarus, Romania, Finland, but we never know. Okay, also a Coinbase just made a report that Coinbase users are also active in Shiba Inu. So guys, let's go and check out my Twitter feed. Definitely follow me at MIKLOS on Twitter. Also follow at Corion platform, and definitely follow at laserpunk_gods our NFT launchpad. So what's happening here? Similarities to 28 and 2020 dumps of S&P 500. Give a like and just retweet. So still waiting for the final capitulation. How does the crypto dip affect the NFT market? Cool. Volume spikes. Crypto Michael is the I asked Crypto Michael is this real volume driven by investors or a trade and liquidation driven choppy volume, because he sees that these volumes is the third biggest volume since December. But you know, guys, if this volume is not driven by investors but it's driven by traders and liquidations, then it's not a real volume. Give a like and share. And also I made a short just a video. I don't know why the picture is so bad, but give a like and also check this out. Cool. So guys, let's go and check out our farms. If you are holding CorionX, ERC20 or Binance Smart Chain version, just go to Uniswap and or PancakeSwap, provide some liquidity and lock up your LPs here on the farm and earn up 330% APRs. If you are staking more, that you will get higher chance to get a drone of the Laserpunk whitelist. So this is how we will pick whitelist places, how we will giving out whitelist places. So Nasdaq is down again, and we are going into the weekend. Bitcoin is down at 36,000 US dollar, and also broke this support and now going down from this support zone. So not looking good for now. Maybe the next level to watch is at somewhere at 33,000, but I think if we can go easily to 28 from here. guys, what Ethereum is doing. Ethereum also went below 2700 also, but Ethereum next major level is 2500. So guys, this is for today. I expect a volatile weekend, a choppy weekend, because the liquidity will be low and whales can move the market and can freak out people. So guys, let's hold your coins strongly. If you are holding for a long term, then you made a decision, and then just keep your decisions. But if you are trading, then use stop loss, but I don't think that it's a good time for trading right now. Smash those like, push the bell notification, or subscribe to the channel. Let's go visit our farms, follow me and our projects on Twitter, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye, enjoy your weekend.